This is going to be a video product review on the Ubio Lab wireless charging pads. Not those kind of pads. Universal quick QI charging and a USB-A output. 10 watt QI certified output, additional USB port, smart high-speed charging, which is really nice because a lot of the new phones will accept high-speed charging, and this has got 2 wall adapters. This is on sale right now at Costco. Let's see what the number would be. The Costco number would be 147. So where's that 147 number? There it is, the item number over there. 1470700. This comes in a 2-pack. Got LED charge indicators, non-slip rubberized surface. Now I bought a Samsung 10 Plus, so my BlackBerry that I had before would not work. Even though it had the smart charging, I couldn't, the smart charge thing was not powerful enough inside the phone to work. Any iPhone released October 2017 and later, including the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone SE second generation, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and wireless charging case for AirPods and AirPods Pro. Works with Samsung S Series S6 or newer, Samsung Galaxy Note S Series Note 5 or newer, Samsung Galaxy A Series 6th generation 2020 or newer, the Pixel 3, the 3 XL or newer, the OnePlus 8 Pro. Okay, so what does this say here? 10 watt fast charge for QI compatible devices, which I just read all of those, you can see there. 7.5 for the wireless charging for the iPhones. You can buy this on Amazon, but the one on Amazon does not have the round pads. I don't know if this was a special, well obviously this was a special deal made for Costco because it's got the item number, and it's got the round one. The one that you buy on Amazon is kind of oblong. This is normally, what did I pay for this thing? I paid, it's on sale right now, for regular $50, regular $49.99, so regular $50, $20 off, so it comes out to $29, $30. For that, it's a good deal. I don't really need it. I'm like most people, I just plug it in. That didn't sound right. I plug in my USB cable, my USB-C on my Samsung, maybe every 2 or 3 days and charge it up. But I thought, you know, I can do a video review. Maybe I can help out the world. So if this video helps, please do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. Click on my affiliate links for Amazon in the video description, even if you're not going to buy this before you put in an order. If you want to support my channel, ask for my PayPal info, and you can leave a donation, which some people actually do, and I do want to thank them in advance. So, like anything, for indoor use only, like anything, everything you buy nowadays is a nightmare to unpackage. So I'm going to shut off the video. I'll be back. So the instructions say plug in the power thing, align device. If you have a flashing light, it's charging. If it's off, it's charged. Wireless indicator is on the side. Charge multiple devices. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. And then the other side over here, it says you must align the device, obviously. And if there's a foreign object detected, you'll get a flashing thing like that, and it will shut off until you remove, like if you have keys or any metal, credit cards, it will shut off until you remove that, and then the light will come on, and hey, thumbs up, all is good. We're here to help. So this is it. We have a, as it said, it has an additional USB port over there on both of them, and better, there it is, and then we have a little power box over here. The thing that's crazy, look at the size of this dongle. And this dong, to have a dongle this big, this is going to take up half your wall. This is humongo. It's got, I don't know why they needed it this big. This is kind of ridiculous. They should have made it smaller and bigger. Smaller and bigger, smaller and extended. So this, if you don't want to wipe out a whole, this is probably going to wipe out a whole outlet, top and bottom. So shame on them for doing that. Shame, shame, that's the game. I have never used a wireless charger on my cell phone. I'm going to plug this in now. We're going to see what happens. This is just nuts. Look at that. That is crazy. 10 watts, so that's good. It will be able to do a fast charge. Do you need this? Not really. I mean, if you plug in USB-C or USB-A or whatever to your phone, But, you know, these phones nowadays, they're not made as well as they should be. And the more you plug something into a connector, the faster it's going to wear out and break. So I bought this for my viewers. Will I keep this? I might. I don't know. I might just pack it up and return it. Do I need to spend $30? Nah, maybe I'll just give it back to Costco. We'll see in a minute. Let's see what happens now. There we go, people. So I don't know where that flashing light is they were talking about. Where is that flashing light? I don't see it. Where's that flashing light? Hold on. There it is. I don't know if you can see it over there. That right over there. Do I see a light shining? No. Is there another light besides that? No. It's plugged in. It's powered on. You really cannot see the light. What do I want to do? I want to find a piece of metal because it said that when there's a piece of metal next to it, it should turn off. And you should get a weird thing. I don't see anything flashing because there's metal near it. I don't know. Let's get the cell phone on. Oh, look at that. Look at that, people. It just made a sound. What the heck did it make a sound for? We just got a message here. Keep wireless charging quiet. On some chargers, set a schedule to turn off fast wireless charging. Turning it off prevents fan noise and reduced lights from LEDs on the charger. Turn off as scheduled. And nah, I don't need to deal with that. Now, on the regular USB thing, you get something that tells you we're at 49%. Oh, there it is. Fast wireless charging, charging 49%, approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes until fully charged. I am going to keep this. You know, it's only $30. Not that I need this, but this is kind of a neat feature right now. I can just lay this down, lay, whatever you want to use. I can put this down on the pad, and I don't have to deal with it. Come on. Come on, where is that? Where's my message? I can put this down on the pad, and I don't have to think about it. And I don't have to plug it in, and I like this. Do I need 2 of them? No, but for the price, it's a beautiful thing. What can you say? I totally recommend buying this. It does work. Let's move this over here. Okay, I kind of lost it, but I think it's I wish, like the other charge, I wish that it showed when it was charging, but there it is. And I want to try one other thing to see what happens with this. Let's keep this going. I want to put a piece of metal next to this thing and see, does it mess it up? It said it was going to mess it up. It is not messing it up. It's not shutting it off. Wireless charging paused. Oh, yes, it does work. Metal removed. And then it's charging up again. This is a definitely cool product. Very good. Thank you, Costco. Thank you, what is it, Ubio Lab. This is good. I know other companies make this thing, but I bought this at Costco. I'm happy with it. Hopefully, oh, I didn't even notice that. Look at that battery, 1 hour, 28 minutes. Battery usage, power mode optimized, power. It's a beautiful thing. Wireless charging paused again. Well, let's see if it kicks in. Is it going to kick in? Oh, because I had the metal of the, of the scissors next to it. Okay, now it's connected again. Yeah, 2 hours, 11 minutes down to 1 hour and 28 minutes. Beautiful product. Having a huge dongle like this, nobody needs a big dongle like this. So that's ridiculous. I don't know how to keep getting this message all the time. I don't know why I got that message. There it is. Cool product, works on iPhone and Androids. Buy it if you're a Costco shopper, and even if you're not, click on my links. That's all that matters. Click on my links. Thanks for watching, people. Check out my other videos. I'm an awesome YouTuber. Thank you. Look at the size of that thing. Yikes. Yikes. Let's get this on here. There we go.